Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a DevOps School's flagship certification program in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@DevOpsSchool.com. Release 2.0 is tomorrow and publish. So this is the way you can use a blog for the announcement to the projects. So this is how you work on. So far so good. Any questions, any doubts?
And I want to ask, is the page a subset of a space?
Space, you should think of folder, and inside the folder you can keep it a multiple pages, and this each pages have a hierarchies actually.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is the stuff, but what is the main thing here? Why I have come here? So actually, you know, everyone loves Confluence not because it has a very unique UI for creating a documents, but it has come here because of macros. What is macros? Let's go to any page. Let's go to the child page, and here I want to edit, and we all love Confluence because of this feature. Okay, because of this feature. So what is this feature? See here, a lot of macros are there. This is called macros. Okay, this is all called macros, and a lot of macros are here, and we all love Confluence for editing our knowledge because of this macros, because these macros help us to create lots of great integrations in an easy way. Okay, so that is something which we have to do. So let's do the planning. So let me delete all this thing. Let's start the planning. So first time when you want to create a page, convert into sections, layouts. So these are the layouts: 2 column, 3 column, 1 large, 1 small, like this you can create. Okay, so here you can create a column, you can add more column, you can design your layout basically for the page. Okay, and after that you add whatever you wanted. So here I want to add heading. This is the heading to team members, and here I will select who all are there as a part of it. So here I have only one user right now, so SCM Rajesh Kumar. Here multiple Rajesh Kumar can be there, multiple users can be there. So this is the part of the team. Okay, you want to create tasks. Let me use this task, and here let me create a task in tasks here, and now what is a task? So here this is the option 1, task 1, task 2, task 3, spelling mistake, task 4. We'll write something like this. Now you want to assign this task 1 to Rajesh @Rajesh. This also we want to assign Rajesh. So this is the way you can use it. Here you can embed the link file. I don't think so I have to teach you. This you can create a table. So let me create a table here. A beautiful table you can create. Name, age, city. Okay, and here name Rajesh Kumar. Age I'm just 16. Okay, and city I'm from Bangalore. Okay, so this is the table. This is the way you can. So I don't think so. This table and all, you can figure it out yourself if you are spending time. But I'll focus on the macro. So I'm giving some structure to this page. Let's publish it. So remember, this is the third time I think I modify this page. Now, how many tickets how many tasks is assigned to me? All of you?
2.
2. So can I go and check my task? Here you see, where is that? Tasks. In my personal account, I'll go and check my tasks. So here, see that using the editor, you can assign the task. It's acting like a Jira, but it's not. See here, assigned to me 2 tasks, created by me. These are the things. Incomplete task, complete task, and assigned to me. I will say, hey, this I completed. Now, if I go back to space, let me show you. One is I said completed, and where is that? Here it is. And you see that one is checked, that means completed. See that? Correct, no? So you can work, this is like a beauty, intelligent tool actually. So very intelligent editor. So that's the reason we like it. So now I modify a few times this page. Can you see the history? Page history. And see that 3 times I modify. You can restore back if some mistake has happened. Who modified, when it was modified, what modification has done? Can we restore back? Is a page history also managing? So many features actually. So you want to attach here. So you want to attach some files. Let me attach it. How do you attach? Click on it here. Attachment. What files? I'm attaching this file. Some files I'm pushing it from the. This is the DevOps engineer, some PDF, I don't know. And click here. Name of it, some PDF. Attach. You can attach more files also. One is sufficient for the understanding. And now see that here, who attach, what time attach, everything. Everything you have with it, but it will not be showing on the page actually. Here it's not showing on the page. It will show you when you go to this here attachment. You see here, file 1 attachment. So you have to click on it to see that. So here you see attachment. So what to do to see on the page? That is where that macro can be helpful for you. So macro is very powerful. You can do a hell lot of things. It's up to your imagination what you want to do with the macros. How many macros are there? So many. You can buy a macros from market also. Your enterprise will do that. Your company will do that. Okay, so let me show you the power of macros. So here I want to see, first I want to see only one column. So here I want to show you the list of attachments. So here I'll go and search for macros, which will show me the attachment. Here it is. And here, publish. And you see the macros. I did not do anything and my documents has been displayed. And here you can upload also. So this is the beauty about it. What else you can do? So your learning process, you know what here is to learn almost all the macros. That's your objective. So here I will just do a few more. Okay. So I'll go for you can code snippet. You can add the HTML code or something, some code you can add it. This is the one macros. Okay. Let me add one more macros. Here you can put that table of content on top. Basically, you will do that. You will see that here. So some of the macros I'm just using it. Action items. You can info panel status. I want to see the versioning. Okay. Version reports of this document here. So who modify the code and all everything, you will have it documents only. And you see that here, publish. See here. So all the documents, modifications, versioning reports. This is the code snippet. Versioning report has not come actually. Why? I'm just thinking. Let me edit. Okay, this is not get loaded properly. Okay, this is not a version. I'm sorry. This was something else. This is some. So I'll just see if it change history. Sorry, change history. Who modify this document? I want to embed on the page itself. And see here, these are the Rajesh Kumar modifiers. You can keep adding that. So a lot of macros you have, you can, and your primary goal is to learn all these macros. So here, let me use some of the, you can embed the chart, some gallery you can create here. You can embed the videos and also PDF you can embed here, Office Word, PowerPoint you can insert. Okay, PDF you can insert. Let me try PDF. So name of the PDF, something, which PDF, and then save it. Okay, it will take few seconds, a little bit slow as. And here you see there's a error rendering. Just wait for a few seconds. So there's an error in that rendering of the PDF to display. Okay, so you can edit. Everything is correct, but that maybe the PDF file is not in the right format. So okay, so here you can add a few more templates. So here you can embed your profile here. You can see the list of label here and all this stuff like that. Development, you can put the Jira chart, Jira integration if you have done it, so you can do that. So this is a very rich editor, and for editing purpose, any page which you want to do, you can use it. Are you able to understand this? All of you? Hello?
Hello,
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Yes, tell me.
Why are we learning Jira and this Confluence? Why? What's the benefit to a DevOps engineer?
Because you need to work every day on this. Here, look at this, planning, Jira and Confluence. Got it?
Okay.
You need to start working from the Jira itself. Means you go to every day, you log into Jira and Confluence and check your work. If you want to knowledge, if you want to access documentation, check Confluence.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And you need to write whatever you do in, let's say, whatever you do in the daily activities, you need to write one page for it. For example, you are writing troubleshooting documents. So you need to write
Okay.
all these documents. So you should know which platform, how to use it, how it works. So else, if you go in the project and say, I don't know, then people might feel offended, because when you claim you are a DevOps engineer, then you should know all these tool sets.
But this tool is cut across all organizations.
Yes, 80% of the projects are using, I mean, on a general survey, 80% of the software companies are using Jira and Confluence for their ticketing management and documents management.
Okay, so I would term this as a administrative
Mm.
for administrative purposes or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go
Okay.
ahead.
So
Go on.
now,
Go on.
yeah. So now, this is how you can create a documents. And so some of the interview questions I must tell you here. So people say, hey, what is your approach for sharing the knowledge?
Mm.
So what you answer is, because this is the DevOps jargon related questions, fundamental. How do you see information sharing? So you can correlate this discussion what we are doing with your interview answers. You can say, hey, we are using Jira. We have a strict process in place.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.